This is AMK Diaries. We will be joined with our fine gentleman who is going to tell us everything you need to know about ADOM Waterfalls. Now follow me.
It was discovered by a hunter, and it has been like 70 years since its discovery.
70
Yeah, 70 years. The hunter was lost in the forest for like 4 months, and on one lucky day he heard the sound of the waterfalls, and he was like, okay, let me trace it. Better than Baltic.
It's so natural.
Better than Baltic.
Let me drink more. In fact, those of you who haven't tasted natural water before, this is ADOM Waterfall.
The head town of Akuapim used to be here.
Oh.
So long after the Ashantis and the Akim. Small one goes into the big one.
Yes. So it means without a small one,
There's no big one.
there's no big one.
Yes.
So definitely there's always a mother.
Yes, there's almost a father.
It goes
Okay, from the mountains it comes to the small part of the waterfalls, and the small one feeds the big one,
Okay.
and from the big one it goes straight to Kinku Waterfalls.
Okay.
So this is the source of Kinku Waterfalls.